For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
If you spend a lot of time in the kitchen like I do, you'll know the value of tools that make prep faster and cleanup easier. That's why I genuinely recommend this 4-in-1 strainer bowl with lid set. It's been a great addition to my own kitchen routine. From rinsing fruits to prepping pasta, this set combines multiple tools into one neat and functional package. This set includes a durable stainless steel colander, a non-slip base fruit bowl, a removable center lid, and 3 grater attachments. It's especially helpful when you're multitasking. I often use it to rinse rice and then switch to shredding cheese directly into the same bowl when I make stir-fry. If you cook often or know someone who does, this is one of those smart kitchen upgrades worth having. The rotating pivot design is surprisingly effective. It keeps the colander stable and prevents food from falling out while draining, which saves you from accidental messes. I learned this the hard way using my old colander, spaghetti everywhere. The removable lid also lets you switch in one of the 3 graters depending on whether you're slicing or shredding. Just be sure to lock the colander into place. That part matters or it might slip out. One thing I appreciate as someone who's handled a lot of kitchen gear is the solid build of this set. The handles are large and easy to grip, and the non-slip base really does keep the bowl steady on your counter, especially when you're mixing or rinsing heavier items. I've washed blueberries and small pasta in this and the holes are perfectly sized, nothing falls through. Material quality is another area where this product stands out. The stainless steel is thick and resists rust, while the BPA-free plastic bowl is sturdy and food-safe. That's something I always look for, especially when dealing with kitchen tools that come into contact with fresh food daily. You can feel the difference in quality compared to cheaper sets. As for cleanup, the colander and bowl are top-rack dishwasher safe, and you can even pop them into the microwave or freezer. Just keep in mind the graters and lid should be hand-washed. I once put one grater in the dishwasher and it's slightly warped. Since then, I've stuck to hand-washing those parts and they've held up great. So if you're after a kitchen set that can do multiple jobs and hold up well with regular use, this 4-in-1 strainer bowl set checks all the boxes. Whether it's a gift or for your own kitchen, it's a tool that really works as advertised, practical, reliable, and designed with real cooking in mind.